Dear students, as we are continuing lesson number 12, exercise 12.2 from our workbook, that is Holy Faith workbook. So now we have to continue the same. So see the question over here. In a class of 36 students, 20 are girls and the rest are boys. Find the ratio of. So first of all, we have to find total students. Total 36, 20 are girls, so girls 20, rest are boys, so boys are 16, number of boys 16. Now the first question, that is question number A, the number of boys to the number of girls, find the ratios. So boys is to girl, boys is 16 and girl is 20. So 16 upon 20, divide by 4, 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. Cut both the 4. Now here it is 4 is to 5. So the ratio of boys and girls is 4 is to 5. Question number B, the number of girls to the number of boys. Girls to the number of boys, that means we have to write girls first. So girls and boys, 20 upon 16, 4 5s are 20 and 4 4s are 16. Cut both 4 and 4, so the ratio is 5 is to 4. Question number C, the number of boys to total number of students in the class. So ratio of boys and total students. So boys are 16 and total students 36. Four 4s are 16 and 4 9s are 36. Cut both 4 and 4. Here no common factor, that's why the ratio is 4 is to 9. Come for question number D. Question number D is the number of girls to the total number of students in the class. So write over here girls upon total students. So girls are 20 and total students are 36. Two 10s are 20 and 18 2s are 36. Cut both 2 and 2. Next it is 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. Cut both 2 and 2. So the answer is 5 is to 9. So the ratio of girls and total number of students are 5 is to 9. Come for the next question. Megha bought a packet of plain paper clips for 1500 paisa and a packet of colored clips for rupees 25. Find the ratio of the price of the plain paper clips to the price of the colored clips. So look over here, one is the unit paisa and another one unit is rupees. So we have to make it first, both are same unit. So 1500 paisa equal to rupees 15 is the cost for plain paper clip. plain paper clip. And the cost of colored clips are rupees 25. Rupees 25 colored paper clip. So the ratio 15/25. 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Cut both 5 and 5. So the ratio is 3:5. So the ratio of plain paper clip as well as colored paper clip is 3:5. Come for the next question. In the following figure, see here how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write over here 6 triangle. And then how many circles are over here? It is 3. And how many square? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Triangle 6, circle 3 and square 9. First question, find the ratio of number of triangles to number of circles. Number of triangle and number of circle. So, ratio equal to triangle upon circle. Triangle is 6, circle is 3. Make it reduce, that is 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Cut both 3 and 3. So the required ratio or the asking ratio is 2:1. Asking ratio is 2:1. Question number B. Find the ratio of number of circles to number of squares. So write ratio equal to circles upon square. So circle means 3 and square means 9. So write over here 3/9. Make it reduce. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Cut both 3 and 3. So answer is 1:3. Answer is 1:3. Question number C. Find the ratio of number of triangles to number of square. So ratio equal to triangle upon square. Triangle is 6 and square is 9. So here it is 6/9. Make it reduce from 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Cut both 3 and 3. So the ratio is 2:3. Ratio is 2:3. Move for the next question. In a library, there are 300 storybooks, 450 novels. Find the ratio of storybooks to the novels. So, ratio equal to storybooks upon novels. Storybooks is 300 and here it is 450. Cut both zeros. Then 15 2s are 30 and 15 3s are 45. Cut both 15 and 15.
Okay.
So the answer is 2:3. Answer is 2:3. Come for the next, that is question number 12. There are 120 potato wafers packet and 180 aloo shev packets. Find the ratio of potato wafer packets to aloo shev packets. So write ratio equal to 120 upon 180. Cut both 0 and 0. Then 2 6 are 12 and 2 9s are 18. Both 2 2 cut. Then 3 2s are 6. Again reduce it, and 3 3s are 9. Both 3 3 cut, and the answer is come 2:3. So our required answer is 2:3.